guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And we are here in Chicago to start the most epic road trip of our lives. 2026 is the 100-year anniversary of Route 66. So we're going to do Chicago to LA and a few special stops in between, and we're going to bring you guys along with us.
Yep.
All right, good.
One day, we'll be looking back on this and we'll say, aren't you happy that we did it our way? Everyone we knew was saying no way, but we were never listening anyway. So don't be just standing in the doorway. Don't you know we gotta hit the highway? Darling, this is gonna be a good day. And I've gotta say that I'm not bad myself, but you're amazing. You're amazing. One day, I'll be looking back on this and I'll say, I'm so happy that you said you would stay. There were times I know that I was crazy, fraying at the edges and you saved me. I'm losing count of chances that you gave me. You're laughing at me dancing really badly and telling me the reasons why you'd gladly do it all again. Cause I'm not bad myself, but you're amazing. You're amazing. Oh, I'm not bad myself, but you're amazing. You're amazing. Well, hey, words can never adequately convey everything you're giving to me today. But holding you is better than a holiday, and leaving you, I dread it like exam day. So at the risk of sounding kinda risque, everything to now has been the foreplay. Darling, I would follow you to Norway, or anywhere you want it. Cause I'm not bad myself, but you're amazing. You're amazing. Oh, I'm not bad myself, but you're amazing. You're amazing.
We are here on the shores of Lake Michigan. It's 43 degrees.
How cold's the water?
Water's only 40-some degrees, and we're going to go get in the water.
We gotta put our toes in.
Oh, this was a great idea. I already can't feel my feet. Oh.